Go on then.
Ready? Happy wedding day to you. Happy wedding day to you. Happy wedding day, dear and Darren and baby Joe. Happy wedding. Happy birthday. Should we put our milk down?
Happy birthday day.
Happy burping day.
Happy wedding day
To you. Happy burping